All right. Question number 8, additional math practice. So this question says, calculate the mass in grams of agarose required to make 200 milliliters of a 1.2 agarose solution. So let's kind of underline some of our key things that we need to know. So calculate the mass of agarose required to make 200 milliliters of a 1.2 agarose gel. And then it says record the correct amount rounded to one decimal place. So the formula we're going to need here is going to be our percent weight times volume. And so just kind of a reminder, that formula is percent weight times volume equals our mass of solute, which will be written in grams, over the volume of the solution in milliliters, and all of this is going to be multiplied by 100. All right, so percent weight times volume, that's going to be the percentage of the percentage weight. Just write all of this out. And this is going to express the grams of solute per 100 milliliters of liquid. All right, so let's look at what the data kind of gives us. So if we have our given data, we know that our percent weight times volume is going to be 1.2%. Our volume is going to be 200 milliliters. And we are looking for the mass. So let's rearrange the formula. So we've got our mass in grams is going to be equal to our percent weight and volume times the volume all over 100, right? So that's just this formula up here that we kind of rearranged. And then we just plug and play. So our mass is going to be equal to 1.2 times 200 divided by 100. And so we would get 240 over 100, and then divide that through. And so our mass is going to be equal to 2.4 grams. And then let's just go back and make sure. So it says rounded to one decimal place, and we are at one decimal place here. So that's going to be our final answer. 2.4 grams.